When I start it, the ball inside is rotating, but it doesn't heat. So okay, it does not heat. So what I'll do is let's disassemble and check it. These screws, one here, 2, 3 and 4. So let me remove the screws. So now after removing the screws, just here also there is one more screw on the side. You need to remove this screw as well, the screw here. Just remember this screw is different, the side one. Now just leave it this way. Open it. Push it backwards. Here we go. You see, these are the grooves that hold the front cover. Here, these grooves. Everything appears good, but it's not heating. So let me check for the continuity of the door switches. You see, this switch, one is here, one is here. So let's see. This is okay. This is okay. Okay, it's a two-way switch, I think so. Let me check. Yes, it's open and close switch. That switch is also okay. All the door switches appears to be okay. Now after checking all these switches, the switches are working fine. We checked it. So all we need to do is just remove this front panel now first. For that, just disconnect this, because this relay should switch on so that the current will pass to this transformer. Just, you see these connectors, they have lock here. We need to press it from backside here. Press it and open. In the same way, this one also, it has a lock. Just press and pull it. Okay, now remove the screw. Okay, there is a screw here. Just remove that screw also. after removing the screws, what we need to do is just push this panel, front panel upwards like this. Okay, now pull it gently. If you want to open the door, keep the door open. Okay, this way. This is the panel. So now we need to remove this connector. For removing the connector, you just pull this lock, pull the strip gently. Make sure you will not break the strip. Remove the screw. Here we go. Just slide these locks gently. Here, this one, slowly. Do not put too much of force, it may break. Pull it this way. Here are the locks. Keep this panel aside. Here we see these are the 2 points relay should get voltage for. So we need, see, I can see a dry joint here. Here you can see there is a dry joint, this point. So let me solder it first. This dry joint is causing no heating problem in this microwave. Just first press it properly, okay, firmly. And see if any of these connectors they have dry joint, just solder them. My friend told me that this microwave, after buying, he did not use it much. He just used it for a week and then he kept it idle, and later after a year when he tried to switch it on, he is facing this problem. So we do not see any much dust inside. This microwave appears to be new, but there is dry joint. Okay, that's all. Okay. Then we will fix it and check. Okay, take this one, take the PCB, place it in this way. Here there is edge. These are the locks. It should enter in here like this. These two. And now press it. Okay, now we should fix a screw here. It should be straight. See, in this way. Okay, now press it. Now we will fix it back. For fixing it, see these locks, they should enter into the grooves here in this way. So after placing it all the locks into the groove, press it down in this way. It's locked, so now you can't pull it. These two screws are of different length. The small one should be here, grounding, and the big one to fix the panel. Okay, now connect this. This is the for the relay output. Now take this ground connection, okay. Now we will fix the back cover, top cover. For fixing the top cover, you need to do is place it in this way here. It should not be placed completely on the top like this, just a bit behind. Place. Now pull it gently. Okay, in this way it will lock. Now on the sidewards, what you need to do is just pull it a bit back, press it in this way here, pull it towards front. In the same way, do it on the other side. In this way. Okay. Now you need to fix the screws. Now take the screws. Black screw on the side. Okay, now we will switch it on and check. Now let's see. Now the water is hot. And see. Okay, now the water is heating. Now the device is okay. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the no heating problem of your Samsung microwave oven. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.